Hello everyone, welcome back to the IBS YouTube channel. Today we are going to dive into a game-changing topic which is shaping the future, which is called generative AI. So whether you have used tools like GPT, Gemini, or you are new in this concept, we are going to break it down and understand how it's works. So we are going to explore what is generative AI, how it's work, what is the important for the future. Now, what is generative AI? Let's talk about the basics. Unlike traditional AI that focus on recognizing pattern and making predictions, generative AI create a new content. This could be anything from text and image to music, even videos also. Eventually, it's a technology that generates original work based on the pattern it's learned. Imagine asking a system to write a poem, paint a picture, or even compose a song. It can all do this for us. Now let's talk about what are the types of the generative AI. Generative AI can be categorized into a different types based on the types that content it want to create. So it can create a text content. You can generate human-like text. Just you can write a text. You can your output will be text. So you are just talking with the human machine. Images. It can generate images based on the text description. So if you write a prompt that you want this text, so it will create an image for you. Videos. AI can generate and edit videos. Specifically, it can automate script writing, audio. So AI can compose music, generate voiceover or dubbing or speeches. Design. AI tool assist in creating a unique visual, design, logos and the layouts. Inputs. Now multimodal inputs, some AI system can understand generate content. So the content that you are going to give it to that AI model, it will, if it is understand, he will give you the output based on the content. Now let's talk about the popular AI generative tools. ChatGPT. ChatGPT by OpenAI. This is a large language model designed for the natural conversations. So it used to learn, understand, and generate human-like text based on the user outputs. Gemini by Google DeepMind. A generative AI model designed for the tasks like generations, translations, just like a OpenAI, which the enhancement reason and the context understanding. DALL-E by OpenAI, an AI model that generates highly detailed images from a simple text description. For example, if I write a prompt with a futuristic city with a skyline at sunset, it can recreate a vivid and unique image on this idea. Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered based assistant integrated into the Microsoft 365 tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. It helps enhance the productivity, suggestions, automations, and the content generations. Now let's talk about what are the uses of the generative AI. Generative AI is evolving into the various industries and into diverse applications. So let's talk about the chatbot. So tools like ChatGPT offer a human interactions in customer services, providing 24/7 availability and personalized reasons. So you can create your own chatbots for your own personalizations, art generations. There are many tools which can generate images, paintings, videos from a text. So it used to creativity in industries. The industries which work for art generations like advertising, entertainment, content writing. Generative AI models assist in write articles, blogs, scripts, and reports, and it will speed up your content creations. Videos. AI automate aspect of the video creation, such as script writing, video editing, generating more videos, making production faster and more accessible. Now let's talk about the advantages of the Gen AI. Efficiency. So it saves time by allowing the rapid content creations, whether it's a text, image, or codes. It saves a lot of time. Creativity boost. AI can boost endless variation of the concept, sparking a new ideas and the new innovations. Automations. Repeating tasks like drafting mail, generating report can be automated, freeing up your time for more strategic work. Personalization. AI can tailor a content or products to involve individual preference, enhancing everything from marketing strategy to healthcare recommendations. Now let's talk about what are the limitations of the generative AI. Lack of the contextual understanding. AI generate context based on the pattern but lacks on the true comprehensions, which can lead to irrelevant or nonsensical output. Quality and accuracy issue. AI can inherit biases from a training data, leading to the biased outcome on ethical issues like misinformations. Data dependency. The quality of generative AI generative content heavily depends on the quality and the diversity of the training data. So if your data is poorly trained, it will lead you to inaccurate output or limited output. Vulnerability of misuse. While AI technology like generate offer immune benefits into our industry, they can also be misused in the way that raise a significant legal issues. So I hope you guys like the video. If you want more videos, follow for more.